What's up, you guys? Shay Niche here with another video. Today we're going to be talking about these RayCon earbuds. Y'all, I love these things. I have been wearing them for a couple of weeks now. I did the footage, but I wanted to make sure that I wore them and experienced them before I brought them to y'all, because y'all know I have to come to y'all with all the good tea. Listen, they're called everyday earbuds, and they are. I've literally worn them every single day, and it's not just me. They were so nice to send out another pair so that I could share them with my wife. My wife are like, she's in love with them. Okay. Like, we literally wear these things every single day. I've wore them to work. I've wore them to the jacuzzi. I've wore them to the gym. I wear them to go to sleep. I wear them to drive. Like, I wear them every single day. They have not once died on me. Okay. And literally, if for some reason they do, they have this quick charge feature that is like 10 minutes of charge equals like 1.5 hours of battery life. Crazy, right? They are active noise canceling. And let me tell you, I went on a flight for my birthday. We went to Seattle, and it was a screaming kid on the plane that I didn't even know about. Okay? I didn't even know about. They were talking about it when I took my earbuds off when we got where we were going. But yeah, honey, you can literally press a button and you won't hear the world. You can turn it off, and it seems to me like it amplifies the sound around you. I think it's called aware mode. But y'all, like, I love the, and are they not cute? Like, look at that color. And wait till you see me put it in the case. Okay? Like, they're really it. Let me tell you, they are dust proof and waterproof. Like I said, I've been to the gym. I done been sweating. Yeah, I'm trying to unbig my back. And then I've also gone to the jacuzzi. I have not swum in them yet, but I have worn them to the jacuzzi, and there has been like no issues whatsoever. I love these things. I absolutely love them. They are affordable. It's not a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not gonna break the bank. And now let me show you guys how easy it is to connect. Like, they're ready to go as soon as you get them out the box. You open it, it appears on your phone, you select them, baby, you're connected, okay? And that's it. And you know, like, I immediately went to pull up some music so that I could check out the bass. When I read that bass feature, I was like, let me see what they talking about. Y'all, it really, 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 really popped off in my living room, okay? It really popped off in my living room. Like, the thing is, the being that they are water friendly and they're dust proof, and like, I'm able to do my makeup and not worry about, you know, and something happening. You guys, they just fit into my life perfectly, like perfectly. And the fact that they're just so cute, like, they're so cute. I absolutely love them. So you guys, go check them out. Go get these. Girl, like, yeah, don't wait no more time. Just go get them.